Guys, running naman. After ng napakahabang months of review sa board exams na na urban planning. Ay, salamat. Thank you Lord God.
Nanaba kami pagre-review.
Tumaba kami sa kakakain sa house. Kaka-review. Kaya kailangan i-lose weight naman. Right, love? Okay. This is another chapter of our life. Actually, we have done lots of master planning and design of wide areas, mga horizontal and vertical, mga urban planning jobs and master planning and resort and leisures and mga hospitalities. So marami na rin kaming ginawa na urban planning works. Okay, I will show you here in my YouTube channel. This is Dennis De Lazal, the architect and builder and planner. Graduated from University of the Philippines, Diliman, Quezon City in my second course, which is the Urban and Regional Planning, Environmental Planning, way back 2003 or 2004. Now, 24 years after, it's only now that I was able to continue it and take the board exams for urban planning, environmental planning, regional planning. So, it is yesterday for 2 days, May 27, 28, 2026, because guys it took me a lot of time because yun nga, I was working as a architect, I work abroad, I also work as a builder.
Ano ba yan? Don't run! You want to run? You want to run with us?
Where are you? Coming with us? Huh? Okay guys, bumigat ako guys. Kaka-review, kaka-aral. Ngayon naman, kailangan mag lose weight para mabilis ang kilos.
Grabe, tumaba.
Ate Maika,